Hi there, I'm going to show you today how to recode variables in SPSS. First thing, you want to click up here to transform and scroll down. You can see that there are two options. You have the option to recode into a same variable or to recode into different variables. First, I'm going to show you the option to recode into the same variable. For this example, I'm going to show you how to recode the variable gender to give it new values. You can notice right now the values are given, there's ones and zeros. So ones are specified as male and 0 is specified as female. So click here into old and new values, and you're going to tell SPSS the old value of 0, which is for females, and you want the new value to be equal to a 1. Click add, and then similarly the old value for males was a 1, but we want it to become a 2. So go ahead and click here, enter 2, and add. Click continue and OK. And now you'll see that we have the new labels, so that males are now coded as 2 and females are now coded as 1. The other option you have here is to transform and to recode variables into different variables. So for example, for the variable GPA, if we wanted to know or assign letter grades rather than having these numeric values for GPA, we could do that. Go ahead and click. We're going to tell SPS we want GPA. Assign it here. We're going to tell it what the output variable name is going to be. We're going to call it grade. You have the option to give it a label. I'm not going to worry about that right yet. And go ahead and here again and click old and new values. Now you have the option. You could assign point by point, one numeric value to a new numeric value. But because the GPA is a continuous variable, it might be easier to create it more into groups. And because we want a string variable, we can click the option here, output variables are now going to be strings, so that SPSS will know we're reading in letter values and not numeric values. You have the option here, you can tell SPSS a range of values. You can tell it you want the lowest value through a specific value. We're just going to assign it here from a range. And we're going to tell SPSS that anybody with a GPA from a 1.0 through a 2.0, we're going to give it a value of F. Okay, go ahead and add that, and you can see now we have this option here, 1 through 2 is assigned the new value of F. Next, we're going to tell SPSS that any value between 2.01, which is just the next possible option after 2, and we're going to tell it through 3.0, and we're going to assign the value of D. Click add, and you have the option here. Next we'll do, let's say for values of 3.01 through 3.50 are going to be given a value of B. Click add. And finally we're going to tell SPSS that anything from 3.51 through 4.0 will be given a value of an A. Now notice you can adjust these numbers however you want. It's very flexible. Go ahead and click add finally, and you have all the options available. Click continue, and you want to make sure that you tell SPSS to change the output variable here. So go ahead and click change, and it inserts it here, and click OK. And now we have this brand new variable called grade that is specified with these string variables letting it know that the actual grade value given from the GPA. Pretty neat.